Here we have a 2017 Audi RS3 Quattro. Now this vehicle does come with £11,000 worth of optional extras included in it. Now the paintwork is called Nardo Grey and does look absolutely superb. Now we do have the LED headlights as well as the big black front grille. RS3 badging on the front, we do also have that front splitter. Now this vehicle does come with 4 superb unscratched, unmarked 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Now stepping back, you can see we do have the black roof bars, black window trim around the windows, black wing mirrors with privacy glass on the rear. Now this vehicle is lowered and has spacers, makes this car look a bit more aggressive, and spaces the wheels so they flush with the body of the car. Now we do have the sports exhaust system, so you can see the black tip, and it does sound absolutely incredible. Now we do have front and rear parking sensors. We also have that rear boot spoiler that really just make this car stand out from the rest. Now we do have the RS3 badge in there as well. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and really does look superb from every angle. There's a quick look at another superb alloy wheel. Now if we go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. Now as you can see, we do have full Napa leather throughout with the red and stitching. We also have the diamond stitching there. We have ISOFIX points, and we also have storage nets behind the driver and passenger seat. And on the doors you do have your electric windows, suede with trim with the leather, Bang & Olufsen integrated premium sound system. Now going to the front, there's a look at the driver and passenger sports seats, which is one of the optional extras included in this car. Now they are very comfortable seats and do look very cool. Now you can see you do have the RS logo just in there next to the diamond red stitching. On the doors you do have again your electric windows with your electric heated mirrors. You have your suede and also your leather and integrated Bang & Olufsen sound system. Now jumping inside the car, looking just down there, you have your auto lights. Now to start this car, you have to turn the key. Now this does have an immobiliser, so I'm going to put my camera towards the steering wheel to pop the code in. Now once you put the immobiliser key in, it's giving you the go ahead, you can then start the vehicle up. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter just down there. If you paddle shift, if we take the car into manual mode. Now we do have a half suede and half leather steering wheel, which does look absolutely incredible. And as you can see in front of me, we do have the virtual cockpit, which you can change from the satellite navigation to other modes like this. Now this vehicle has done just over 30,800 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now you can scroll across to see your DAB radio and also what your phone is connected to. Now going to the centre, again we do have the satellite navigation just there, where we can have Bluetooth phone connectivity, we have your DAB radio, and also have your media connectivity just there as well. Now if you scroll across, you can have your Wi-Fi and also USB and aux. Now if I press home, scroll down to Audi smartphone, you can find your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Put the car into reverse, you have your front and rear parking sensors just there as well. Now we do have different drive modes, where you have comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. Now as you can see on the vents, you do have the red accents, which is a very nice addition to this vehicle. You have your stop start on and off, so it's your parking sensors, traction control on and off, put the screen up and down, if you drive select just there as well. Dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to, with ice cold aircon, with 2 heated front seats there as well. As you can see, work exactly how you would expect them to. 12-volt connectivity with storage, 2 nice cup holders. Then we have the gear stick with the suede and the leather trim there as well. Now this is what you use to control everything that happens on the screen. As you can see, it lights up there as well. Electric parking brake, and there's a look at the passenger's full Napa leather sports seat. Again, we have the suede leather trim with the electric windows. There, the Quattro badging with the carbon fibre look trim there as well. Now to list some of the optional extras included in this car, we have the black roof bars and metallic paint, privacy glass on the rear, the sports exhaust system, the fine Napa leather sports seat. We have the Audi magnetic ride, so it does ride absolutely very nice, absolutely superb with the lowering springs and the magnetic ride. We also have the Audi Sport Pack, Comfort and Sound Pack, and we also have the maximum speed limiter increased on there as well. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with a fresh service, new MOT, we do offer competitive finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this 2017 Audi RS3 Quattro. Now the purpose of this video test drive, of course, is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now, as you can see, I'm not able to fight with steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. It's going straight and true, and not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now, you have cruise control and speed limiter on the stalk on the left hand side of the steering wheel. And to activate, simply just press set on the end of the stalk. It'll go to the nearest miles an hour. Push up the base slightly, or just by one, and push up until you feel a bit of a click, and it'll just hit nearest 5 miles an hour. Now to cancel, simply just press the brake or push forward on the stalk, and then it will then cancel. Now do you have paddle shift if we steer the car into manual mode there as well. So slowing down for the roundabout, I'll take over. So currently I'm in 5th, drop it down to 4th, into 3rd, slowing down a bit more, into 2nd, and at the roundabout, you take it left as you would if you test driving this vehicle today. Now this vehicle does have lots of optional extras added to it from factory. So up from 2nd to 3rd to 4th is a very quick car, 395 horsepower. Now the optional extras include the sport seats, which are currently sit in, which are full Napa leather, and also heated in the front. We have the sports exhaust, which does sound absolutely incredible, and it's the pre-OPF, so it does sound very nice. We have the virtual dashboard in front of me, so currently I have the satellite navigation in front of me, there and there, but you can change what's in front of you, so you can have all your driving information, or you can have many other different functions there as well. Now you can put the gearbox into sport, manual and normal automatic. Now to put it into manual, you push it over to the left, push it back to the right to put it back in drive. Then when you're in drive, pull down, it goes into S, which is the sports gear changing, so it goes through the rev range a lot longer and sharpens up those gear changes. Now do you have the integrated Bang & Olufsen sound system, which does sound absolutely incredible. Now this car drives very nicely on the road, that is thanks to the lowering springs and the mag ride. Now you'd think, as it has lowering springs, it'll be a really uncomfortable drive, but no, it is a very comfortable drive. Going over any bumps or potholes in the road, it takes it very well, and there's no sharp movements in the cabin. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you've been listening out for any wanted knocks or bangs, and if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 300 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Car Gurus. Now if you read through reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact how good we buy for and how careful of a company we actually are. But right now I'm currently in industrial state, where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop and pop it straight into reverse, just to show that the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to. And you'll see pop up in the centre screen the visual display of the front and rear parking sensors. So we're just going to pull it in now, go slow over the speed bump, and in 3, 2, 1, hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. And you can see the front and rear parking sensors on the right hand side of the multifunction steering wheel on the screen. Then back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer and unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video and video test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.